So, good evening to one and all. Good evening to one and all. This is Ashok, and I am going to give some information regarding how to create a Google Sheets. So, first of all, I am going to share my screen. So, this is the screen, my desktop screen I am sharing. So, here in this case, first you have to select this one, Google Apps icon. So once if you select the Google Apps icon, so then you select a drive. So first you have to select a drive. So click on the drive. So in the next tab, the Google Drive link will be opened. In that Google Drive link, first you have to select a new. Okay, so it is loading actually. So select new, and in that one, Google Docs and Google Sheets and Google Slides are there. So, so click the more option. So then you will get a Google form. So click this icon, then you will get a blank form. So select this blank form here. So it will be opening like this. So this form has a title and a description. Suppose I am creating a form like this here. So I'll welcome to my demonstration. Welcome to a quiz. Welcome to quiz and give a description for the form. Fill the MCQs like this. Okay, so here this is a blank form, and in that blank form you can create a question. Suppose I am going to create a multiple choice question. Okay, so how to create that multiple choice question? Click this untitled question, then you will get okay like this. So here there is a menu here, and here if you select this one you'll get different types of questions, whether it is a short answer question or it is a paragraph question or it is a multiple choice question. So there is a difference between the multiple choice question and the check boxes. So the difference here is, so this icon is called a radio button. So it allows, radio button is a button which allows us to fill only one answer. Okay, suppose if your question has only one answer, then you have to select the radio button. Or if your question has more than one answer, then you have to select a checkbox. Suppose if I'm selecting a multiple choice question like this, so what is the capital? What is the capital of India? India. Okay. So I'm going to indicate only two options here. First one is the uh, New Delhi. Select that icon, then you will get the information, and select that option. It is Hyderabad. Okay. So once if you fill the options, then it is say if it is required or not. Okay. So next one here, there is a triple dot icon here. So if you select that one, so there is an option that is called shuffle option order. So that means if you are sharing this link to number of persons, or if you want to shuffle the options, so then you have to select this one. So that means these options are visible as a different. So that means, so I'm giving the order here like this, New Delhi and Hyderabad. So it may be Hyderabad or New Delhi like that. Okay. Okay, so next, if you want to add a question, then you have to select this one and create a question like this. Suppose I am going to create a short answer question. Suppose write short notes, write short notes on Python programming, Python. Okay, so this is a short answer text which requires at least 250 words maximum. If it is required, then you have to select the option like this. Okay, so there is no shuffling here because it is short answer question. So if you want to add one more question like this here, so here you can add a number of questions. So these are the 6 icons. If you see here, if you select this one, import questions means you are going to import the questions from the other forms. And if you want to add one more title and one more description, you have to select the option like this. Or if you want to add an image here, so you select that one, add image. Okay, so upload the image from the camera or by URL or by photos or from your Google Drive like that. Okay, so or in Google image search, you can select the option depending on your requirement, and that add video. Add video means you have to select it. You have to paste the YouTube link, and suppose I'm opening one link here. Mm, so Python for machine learning. So copy this one and paste here. Okay, so it is like that. It shows. Select that one, and it will be clear here. So uploading a video is nothing but it is mainly useful for video based assignments. It's mainly useful for video based assignments. So add selection. So add section. So if you want to add the sections here, you have to select this one. Okay. So suppose if you want to shuffle a question, so there is a 6 dot button here. There is a 6 dot. So if you have to drag and drop this one, so it will go to the another section like this. So if you want to make it as a quiz, then you have to select the settings, and in that settings, select the quiz option and make this as a quiz and select the save button. So it will be like this here. Suppose what is the capital city of it is this one, India. So I'm going to select, first you have to select the answer key. So what is the answer? So how many points you are going to allocate for this question? Suppose if it is a difficult question, then you have to allocate more points. Or if it is suppose if I am going to allocate easy question, you can allocate less points here. Suppose if I allocate 5 points here, and the capital city is New Delhi. Okay, and if I select done here, okay, so answer key, it will shows the 5 points. Okay, so total my Google form has how many points? 5 points here. So this is a response. So that means once if I share the link, so settings, and in that settings presentation, so confirmation message. Suppose if you want to include a confirmation message, so hi, and if you save this one like this, so it will display a message. It will display a message like that. Hi for the persons. I'm going to share that video, and if you click the triple icon here, so if you want to select the send option here, send option, so you want to share that information to how many persons with mail IDs, or if you want to select this icon, there is a link here. So shorten URL. So shorten URL means the URL size will be reduced. URL size will be reduced, and I will get a link here. So I'm going to simply copy that link. So it shows the copy to the clip code, and I will share that link. I will share that link. Okay, send to different mail IDs. My subject is welcome to quiz. So I'm going to fill an invited message. Okay, so and I will click that one and send. It will be automatically sent. Okay, clear? So this is what I am going to present. Thank you.